Okay, welcome back YouTube. Just want to show you this Autovox W7 wireless backup camera kit. Very easy to install. So I'll just turn this round. This is a Mazda 2 on a 14 plate. Okay, so as you can see, you can hardly see the camera and where it is just under there. See it? There, installed there. Doesn't take long to fit. The screen, plug it into the car. The customer wanted the screen there. You can either put the screen there, in the middle, or over there. Customer wanted it there. Okay, very easy to install. Just plug straight into on this car a socket up in that corner. Ever so easy to fit. If I just turn the ignition on, the camera fires up. The radio is going to come on, so I'll have to turn that down. Wait for that to finish.
And they brought in Twiggy.
Okay, turn that down. Okay, so pop it in reverse. Okay, and there's our picture. Okay, and that the bottom of the screen, the bottom of that screen there is the back of the vehicle. So obviously you can get it right up to about an inch. All right. Okay, and that's it. So that's the Autovox W7 wireless camera. Very good picture, cracking little system, very easy to install. Okay, thank you for watching.